guys! Welcome to my vlog. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Triancy Abiho and I'm 17 years old from Yungod, Salay, Misamis, Oriental. And now I just want to see you the beautiful waterfalls here in Yungod. And here we are. Let's go! Hey everyone, are you ready for an escape to paradise? Today, we're heading to a hidden gem in the heart of Yungod Waterfalls. This place is so special, so peaceful, so beautiful. I could visit it a million times and never get tired of it. So, come along with me, we explore this amazing place. The journey to the falls is part of the adventure. The path is easy to walk and you're surrounded by nature's beauty. Listen to the birds singing, feel the fresh air on your face, and just soul in the atmosphere. And here we are, Yungod Waterfalls. Is not it just breathtaking? The water cascades down the rocks, creating a symphony of sounds. It's like a natural air conditioner. The pool below the falls is a perfect place to cool off and relax. The water is so clear, you can see straight through it. It's so refreshing and the scenery is just amazing. I could spend hours here just soaking up the peace and the tranquility of this place. It's a perfect spot for a picnic, a swim, or just a moment of quiet reflection. If you're looking for a peaceful getaway in nature, Yungod Waterfalls is the perfect place to visit. It's a true hidden gem in Yungod. The water is so refreshing. It's the perfect temperature. Not too cold, not too warm. We spent ages just splashing around, laughing, and catching up. This place is a true paradise. The nature here is so vibrant, so alive. We also found this really cool spot with some smooth rocks perfect for relaxing on. We just chilled out, talked and enjoyed the peaceful atmosphere. It was so relaxing. Before we left, we took a bunch of photos to remember this amazing day. This place is seriously a hidden gem. I highly recommend checking it out if you're even in the area. I could have spent hours just wandering, soaking in the beauty and tranquility of this place. It's a reminder of the incredible power and beauty of nature. If you're ever looking for an escape from the ordinary, I highly recommend finding your own emerald paradise. These massive trees with its roots sprawling across the ground, it's a testament to the age and resilience of this forest. It feels ancient and powerful, a silent guardian of this hidden world.